Hello everyone and welcome to Amazing Fragrances. Today I thought I would show you how I repurpose my empty candle vessels. And here is just an idea of some of the things you can do with your empty candle vessels. Today I'm going to show you how to clean this one in particular. Right now I have some facial cleaning pads in there and I'm going to remove those and show you what the candle looks like right now. And what we're going to do is clean this candle out and make it look wonderful. Here are just some of my old candles and some of the things that I do with them after the candle is used. As you can see, you can put Q-tips in them. I use them to hold pins and scissors and various objects like some of my perfumes. This is actually a pumpkin candle that I will be cleaning soon, so let's get started. First, you want to make sure you're on a clean working surface and put a nice towel underneath your candle. And then you want to get some hot boiling water. I use my tea kettle here, and you will pour it just almost to the top. Not quite to the top, but almost to the top, because what's going to happen is the wax will float to the top. And you want to leave some room at the top for it to bubble up, as you can see. So it's going to just slowly bubble up until all of it will be up at the top, and then we'll see a nice solid piece. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours now, and we have a nice solid piece. All of the wax has floated to the top. Here, as you can see, I'm going to hold it up for you. And I might have jumped the gun here, touching it too soon, so as you can see it's still not quite solidified, so we're going to give this a little bit more time. Okay, so it has actually been overnight. I went ahead and let it sit overnight. Here's my nice solid piece of wax that I can actually reuse, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. For now, we're going to go ahead and try to get the bottom wick for the candle out on the base, and we're going to clean out the empty vessel and repurpose it. Okay, so now we are washing our vessel out, making sure that there is the wick is not inside, and actually this one just came right out, so that was great. I like to use the Dawn liquid detergent there because it really does fight the grease and helps get all the wax out of the empty vessel. So you want to make sure that that's all cleaned out and rinsed out and dried out. Okay, and now that we have a nice empty vessel, we can go ahead and put in our items. In this case, I'm using my facial wipes. Makeup remover wipes for this empty vessel. And now, as for the wax that we had taken out of the jar, I'm now transferring it over to one of my other burners, as you can see here, and I just break it up into some pieces, and it's all going to melt nicely. I try not to put too much, so we're just going to get our tea light here and go ahead and light that up, and now I can still use the wax that was in the vessel, the old vessel. And now, as you can see, now I have my vessel, transferred the old wax now to the new burner, and now I'm using my new vessel for my facial wipes. It's always important to remember to never throw away your old vessels for your candles. They can serve multiple purposes, and in this video I've shown you some of the ways that I've used it. They're just wonderful to use. Comment below and let us know what you use your empty candle vessels for. I use mine, like I said, for Q-tips and cotton balls and facial wipes and pens and pencils and desk supplies, but love to hear what you use for yours as well. Thank you for watching. Till the next video, bye-bye.